Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about leaving your job, or just wanting more control over your hard-earned retirement savings? Rolling your Roth 401k into a Roth IRA can be a very smart move for your financial future. This process typically unlocks a much broader universe of investment options than most employer-sponsored plans offer, giving you greater flexibility. Plus, it really simplifies your overall financial picture, bringing all your Roth money into one easy-to-manage place for the long term. So, when can you actually make this move? Generally, the most common time is after you've left your previous employer, as that's when you gain full control of the funds. In some specific cases, however, if you've reached age 59 and a half, your plan might allow what's called an in-service rollover while you're still employed. Always be sure to check directly with your former employer's plan administrator to understand their specific rules and timing. Now, how do you actually make this happen? Your first step is to contact your new Roth IRA custodian, perhaps Vanguard or Fidelity, and tell them you want to complete a direct rollover. They're usually quite helpful and will often provide the necessary forms or even guide you through contacting your old 401k administrator. It's really important to ensure the funds are transferred directly between the two providers. This prevents any potential tax headaches or penalties for you. When moving your Roth money, it's important to understand a few key things. Because both accounts are Roth, a direct rollover is almost always a tax-free event, meaning no immediate taxes are due. You will still receive a Form 1099-R from your old plan provider, but it simply reports the distribution. It doesn't mean it's taxable income for you. Just remember, avoid having the money sent directly to you personally. Always aim for a direct transfer between the two financial institutions. By rolling over your Roth 401k to a Roth IRA, you truly unlock greater potential for your retirement savings. You gain a clearer, consolidated view of all your Roth money, which makes financial planning much simpler. Plus, you get access to a far wider universe of investment options, from individual stocks to specialized exchange-traded funds, giving you more control over your portfolio's growth. It's a smart way to streamline and optimize your financial future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.